In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a hack that will help you amplify your reach, and it also impacts your listings SEO on external search engines. So what is the hack? Adding a text alternative to your listing images. Now, text alternative provides an image description to buyers who can't see what you're showing in your listing images. Adding an image description for each listing image will help your product become accessible to blind and low vision individuals. It also positively impacts your listings SEO. So let me show you an example of a text alternative, and right afterwards I will show you how to edit yours. All right, so here is an example of a text alternative that Etsy provides to us as sellers. So here's a picture of a young lady wearing these beautiful earrings. And when you're adding your text alternative, you are actually describing your actual product that you're selling. So here's an example. Earrings shaped like tall, thin arches hang far down the model's neck. Between the arch columns hangs a string of small mother of pearl droplets, and the pearl droplets are free hanging and are attached with the metal links that match the arch. So you want to make sure that you describe the items in detail, what it looks like, the texture, the scale in relation to other items in your photo. Think about what buyers will lose out if your images didn't load on the page, and keep the descriptions concise up to 250 characters. So let me show you how to add your own alt text alternative. All you're gonna do is click on the listing that you're working on and then click on edit. It's gonna open the listing from the back end. And from here, you're gonna just hover on top of each image and you're gonna click this little pencil icon. You're gonna click there. And then this is where you're gonna be adding your alt text to your images. It could be up to 250 characters. When you're done writing it, just click on save. And that's how simple it is.